how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Another one of these. Different pose this time. He's going to be doing this. What's up with my hair? Going to be doing this. And it's going to be very simple, easy, completely for beginners. About waist. From the waist up, pretty much. Very, very simple, and I think you're really going to like it, okay? So let's get started on this thing. Stay all the way to the very end, because the very end, the idea is that you complete it. First off, it's short. It's like 8 minutes, but if you complete it, you're going to have this in your long-term memory. At least you should, and you'll be able to draw it from then on, right? So watch that whole thing. Very simple. Let's get started right now. Alrighty, so today I want to go over how to draw Sonic. Let's do it. I'm going to go over here and draw a line out here for the nose. Curve down. He's always had like this wine bottle cork open. Wine bottle nose, like a cork nose. Fill this in, except for that highlight at the end. Curve here for the snout. Down over here. Up. Over here. Curve up over here, line up, smile, down over here, pull up, down, line up here, line out for the eye on the far end, down, curve, curve, circle for the eye. I want it to look really snappy in this one. Dot over here, circle, line, line, and let's go over here and pull a curve line for the spike down. But right here I'm going to draw a triangle here for the ear. It's going to be the inner ear, right? I'm gonna draw another line out here for that ear, out over here, down, right on, out over here, in for another spike. Before we do that, I'm gonna draw a curve line here for his arm, and it's really just like a tube. It looks just like a, you know, I don't know, like a spaghetti string. Curve over here. Curve, curve, curve underneath right here, line, over here, we're going to have the knuckle, not knuckles, but he's going to have his hand, right? So he's going to, you know, maybe even his finger down here, curve, curve in. Right over here, curve, and line down over here. Line up, curve, line, 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 line right there. All right, it's gonna be the palm of the knuckle hand, of the thumb. Line over here, curve, and I'm gonna go over here and draw the flat fingers, like a bunch of them. Line here, line here, line here, curve. You can see a little bit of a thumbs up, a little bit like, hey, what's up, right? And we're just gonna draw the top part of his body. Right now, it's just gonna draw a line over here for the vignetting of the legs, and then maybe we can draw the tail over here. Right, a little bit more of a edgy version of Sonic, right? We can go over here and I can fill in a lot of the top here in black. Line over here, curve, curve around here, out, down, line over here, Curve over here, and curve underneath. Down. Then over here. Curve, line up, line down. Curve over here, down. And we're just kind of thickening up the line a little bit. For example, this cuff around his wrist, right? That's obviously a, you know, very simple thing, and I want to just kind of give it a little bit of detail by throwing in another thin lines right as it wraps around. Curve, curve, line over here, and that's kind of it, really. I think a lot of this is more put upon the you know, the viewer to kind of interpret. You want to just keep kind of doing this stuff a little bit. Line here, line here, line here, line here, line here, line over here. Curve, curve, line here, line here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's Sonic the Hedgehog. Let me know if you have any other. It's a different pose, right? It's him giving a thumbs up, a little bit edgier look. But most of that is kind of going to be that way. Do me a huge favor, and what I want you to do is to subscribe and click the bell notification. What I really want you to do as well, hit that like if you like any of the Sonic related stuff, and I will make a lot more of it. The more you like it, the more I make more of it. Really, I kind of feed into whatever you guys want. Essentially, okay? That is it. You guys have been amazing. If you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments if you can hear me right now, and I'm going to go look at the comments, and I'm going to see who can hear my voice and who got to this point in the video. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you later, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.